Hey there, welcome to the channel. It's Victor here and thanks for joining. If it's your first time on the channel, thank you for joining and stopping by. Do well to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification button so that you don't miss out on future videos. We are here to bring you creative videos on how to be better at what you do. And that being said, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking with us and helping us grow over time. We really love and appreciate your support towards the growth of the channel. This video is a sequel to the previous video I made on what a brand is and what branding really is. I decided to take things to another level by talking about what a brand identity is. I didn't want to make the previous video lengthy, so I decided to cut things short and keep it simple. Alright, so I'm going to try as much as I can to make this video as simple and as straightforward and as brief, as short as possible. So don't go anywhere. Okay, the question is, what is brand identity? If you do a quick search on Google, you'll come across different explanations from different sources regarding brand identity. Okay, so this one says here that a brand identity describes the externally visible or visual elements of a brand that identifies and distinguishes the brand in customers' mind. While this can include visual aspects such as colors, design, the logo, and it also includes the type of language and interactions a brand has with customers. A strong brand identity is built with strategic intention to cultivate a certain brand image in customers' mind. That being said, this is my own definition of brand identity. A brand identity is considered the unique characteristics that influences a brand's perceived personality, appearance, and behavior. While this includes not just visual components such as color, logo, design, a brand identity comprises of both tangible and intangible elements, including its name, personality, visual identity, and history. Now, in order to further appreciate and understand what a brand identity is, let's first consider what makes up a person's identity. You will agree with me that a person or an individual is a combination of elements such as their name, origin, personality, value, beliefs, stories, and physique. Now, these same characteristics that are attributed to a person's identity can also be relatable to a brand identity. Now, I can't agree any less to the definition we read at first online when we carried out that quick Google search of what a brand identity is, which highlights that it also includes the style of language and ways in which a brand interacts with its audience. Creating a robust brand identity involves strategic planning to shape a specific image or perception in the minds of customers. Now, if you made it to this very part of the video, congratulations to you, and I believe that you have taken down some nuggets as to what a brand identity is and how relatable it is to a person's identity. Now, remember earlier I said in my other video that we have a personal brand and we have a corporate brand. Now, before I draw the curtain on this video, I'd like to emphasize some key takeouts in this video. And I'd like you to take these key takeouts very seriously because it's going to help you in building and developing a strong brand identity. Brand identity consists of the outwardly visible elements like logo, color, design, etc., which helps to identify the brand from another in the minds of customers. The second is consistency of expression, which is maintaining uniformity in marketing and communication is crucial for building a strong brand identity. Developing a distinctive and attractive brand identity for your target audience is a key component of an effective business strategy. The fourth is establishing a strategic and unified brand identity involves evaluating the competitive environment and target market and identifying the company's objectives, customers, and brand positioning. The last but not the least, when developing a brand identity, it's crucial to consider how they will be represented in various platforms, such as social media. With that being said, I wouldn't want to stretch this video any further than this. Thank you for making it to this very part of the video. If you are still here with us, I love and appreciate your support. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to leave us a like. If you have a different view as to what brand identity is, let me know that in the comment section below this video, and I will read every comment. Thank you very much for sticking around. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for sharing the video. Thank you for joining this one big family. Until I come your way again, remain blessed. Peace.